I have had a few scary close calls recently, some my fault, some not. That is why I have decided to upgrade my cheap dashcam with the 4K OEM dashcam from Mangoal, which offers plug-and-play installation to your car. In the box you will find everything you need to install it in 15 minutes without any additional tools. In addition to the higher quality videos, I will get rid of the cables hanging in my car from the old camera. Installation is simple, just remove the plastic cover below your mirror, replace the old part with the new one that has integrated dashcam. Before doing anything with electronics, turn off your car completely, like this. Install this additional one here. And push it into place. Now we will connect the power plug. We can put all these cables inside it so it will not be visible. And now the rear camera. This is for the GPS, we don't need, so we'll just return it back. And now finally we can return this one as well. Let's start the car. The blue light means it is on, and with the Skycam app and built-in Wi-Fi, I can watch live video and download clips straight to my phone, no more pulling out the SD card. The app also lets you adjust photo resolution, checks front and rear camera, and explore settings for many available cars that Mangoal is offering OEM setups. Now the most important part, video quality. The 4K camera has a super wide view, capturing not only the road ahead but also from the sides. Even over bumps, the video remains smooth. The only trade-off is that due to wide angle, to clearly read the license plates you need to reach closer distances. Direct sunlight? Not a problem. The footage remains clear and even indoor parking videos looks great. The rear camera also performs well, but make sure to place it where the defroster lines don't block the view. Alternatively, you can mount it on the front window to record the cabin while still capturing the rear view. Now let's compare it with the old camera. Even on the first view it looks good. Check how it has trouble when recording directly to the sunlight, while the new camera does not have any issue with it. On one-to-one comparison, the difference is even more clear and the new camera quality is superior to the old one. Finally, let's check out some night videos. I try to find some place where there is no street light, but that is very hard to find in UAE. However, here on this bridge you can see that it still performs very well even in the complete darkness. Here, just for fun, I tried my RAV4 hybrid acceleration and you can see that the camera is capturing everything very nicely. Of course, the rear camera struggles in complete darkness, but for the daytime and regular night driving it is more than enough. I'm really happy with this upgrade, clean installation, no dangling wires and excellent video quality. Let me know your thoughts in the comment, and if you are interested, the purchase link is in the description. Until next video, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.